Welcome back to Car Showcase. The 2025 Volvo EX30 is finally here, and it's ready to make a huge impact in the compact electric SUV world. This is Volvo's smallest and most affordable EV yet, but don't be fooled. It's loaded with power, style, and next-level tech that's set to take on some of the biggest names in the market. Right away, the design grabs your attention. The EX30 has that clean Scandinavian style Volvo is famous for, but with a modern, sporty twist. Slim LED headlights, a sleek, closed-off grille, and smooth, sculpted body lines make this SUV stand out on city streets or the open highway. It's compact and easy to maneuver, perfect for urban driving, but still tough enough for weekend adventures. Inside, the EX30 feels futuristic and premium. The cabin is built using sustainable materials, staying true to Volvo's eco-friendly vision. At the center, you'll find a massive vertical touchscreen powered by Google's built-in software, giving you seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Even though this is a compact SUV, the interior feels spacious and smartly designed, with clever storage spaces and high-end finishes that make every drive feel first-class. Now, let's talk performance, because this SUV brings some serious power. The X30 will be available with multiple configurations, including a dual-motor, all-wheel drive version that delivers a jaw-dropping 422 horsepower. That means it can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. Plus, with an estimated range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, it's built for both city commutes and long road trips. When it's time to recharge, fast charging technology gets you from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Safety has always been Volvo's priority, and the EX30 continues that tradition. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance, giving you confidence on every drive. The 2025 Volvo EX30 is expected to arrive in US dealerships in early 2025, with a starting price of around $36,000. That makes it one of the most affordable luxury electric SUVs you can buy. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and competitive price, the EX30 is ready to challenge rivals like the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Would you choose the Volvo EX30 as your next electric SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more first looks at the hottest cars of 2025.